Methods for leveling concrete floors include cement mortar leveling. The ground can be leveled with cement mortar. This leveling method is suitable for all kinds of floors and is more economical. The level ground will have higher strength, etc. However, if cement mortar is used for leveling, the leveling layer will be thicker. If the cement mortar is not prepared properly, problems such as sanding and cracking may easily occur on the ground. Plaster leveling. If the ground is only uneven in a small area, you can use gypsum for leveling. This leveling method is easy to construct and will not affect the height of the ground. However, gypsum leveling is suitable for local leveling of floors with good flat mass. If there is a large area of unevenness on the ground, gypsum leveling cannot be used, otherwise cracks and other defects may easily occur. Self-leveling. Self-leveling on the ground is less likely to cause problems such as cracks and sand. The thickness of self-leveling is relatively thin, usually around 2 to 5 millimeters, and will not occupy too much indoor floor height. However, the price of using self-leveling mortar for leveling the ground will be relatively expensive. It is suitable for overall leveling of the ground and cannot be used for partial leveling. That's all for this issue. If you have any questions or others, you can leave a message in the comment area or contact us. We are waiting for your contact 24 hours a day.